PSI Environmental's AGF and StormGuard drain inlet filter can be installed without the removal of your inlet's grate. Both the StormGuard and the AGF are made up of a UV-resistant skin, 2 stages of internal filtering media with an overflow hole, and 2 plastic slats at either end for curb inlet protection when installed over a combo grate. Please note that this installation tutorial will use a StormGuard drain inlet filter for reference, but all steps for the installation are the same for the AGF as well. Before installation, thoroughly clean the area around the inlet and detach the included instruction card and wire ties. First, simply place your StormGuard filter over the grate you plan to protect. If the protected inlet has a curb inlet as well as a grate, install the filter so one of the plastic slats can be flipped up to protect the curb inlet as shown. To secure the filter in place, retrieve the included wire ties. Loop one of your wire ties under a selected corner of the grate, and with your StormGuard propped up, poke the 2 ends up through the filter. Once both ends are through, push down on the filter so that it sits flat against the grate while pulling up on the wire ties. Twist the 2 ends of the wire ties to secure the filter in place. Then, trim the excess wire with a pair of wire cutters and fold down any remaining wires so the ties lie flat against the filter. Repeat this process until each of the 4 corners are secure. You have now successfully installed your AGF or StormGuard drain inlet filter. If additional inlet protection is required, consider installing PSI Environmental's silt sifter products surrounding your inlet for added protection. Thank you for choosing PSI Environmental. You can visit our website for further resources or reach us by phone and email